Today we are looking at a Clipper Super 92S portable seed cleaner. This is a factory-built portable. This unit is powered by a 16 horsepower, 2-cylinder Wisconsin engine. I would recommend removing that and going to a more modern engine, either a Honda or the cheaper Predator. Produces a lot more horsepower and is a lot more reliable. This unit is using pneumatics to move the dirty seed. It is blown from this fan, introduced here into this airstream, up into the cyclone, and then into the hopper, and then into the grain cleaner. It is then cleaned and blown again for the final clean, and then it is moved pneumatically from this shaker conveyor here up to this cyclone here. And this 4-inch auger plugs into the bottom of that cyclone, and then you are able to convey the clean product away. This unit has just come in this way. We have had this unit for a couple of years. I just put 2 new tires on the front. The rear tires are not in the best condition. We have nothing to hide with the unit, but they are still holding air, so we did not opt to put new tires on the unit all the way around. I'm going to roll in some pictures of the original Clipper literature on this machine. The original literature says that it would do, I believe, 100 to 200 bushel per hour on soybeans and reduced capacities on everything else. I will roll in, I believe, those 3 photos right now. As you can see, the machine has various capacities in those photos. I did see this machine run. It was in running condition when I originally bought it a couple of years ago. However, like I said, I would personally be removing this older Wisconsin as they are getting harder and harder to find parts for. I believe the unit has corn, wheat, and soybean screens. I believe the gentleman said he was cleaning soybeans with it last, and just from some of the writing I see here, I believe it has wheat screens, and I think I see another soybean screen right there. Unit has brushes to keep the screens clean, and one advantage to this machine is that it is all steel, so this machine will stand up to getting wet. Of course, you would want to keep it in the dry. We're just simply getting this machine out to the web to our customers, and we are also wanting to document this machine. There's not a lot of these Super 92s around. Just a good solid factory built portable. We wanted to go over the ins and outs of the unit. So you can see you have your screen storage up on top. Has the shaker conveyor underneath for conveying the clean product to the side. And like I said, it is blown pneumatically up into this cyclone here. The machine is dusty and dirty. This is just how we received it. But the machine is all there. Just a look around. Pretty cool that you just bring up your gravity flow wagon right here, introduce your product, and then it's blown pneumatically. That makes it gentle. You're not running it through a steel screw. Of course, this fuel tank could be removed. The older Wisconsin could be removed. That would clean the machine up quite a bit. But since the machine was in running condition, just wanted to document it as it sits today. We will do our final walk around here. This machine is ready for immediate purchase. I would like to thank you for watching.